Namaskar, this is Ashish Sehgal, also known as the NLP Authority Guy. I'm so glad that I spent a life learning, researching, developing, coaching, training, and using my favorite subject of all times, neuro-linguistic programming. I use it in everything I do. And believe me, all those who have walked with me in this journey at any point of time really know how passionate I am about that. And that's exactly what I'm going to share with you. I'm here to share with you the new, extensive, completely reformatted Train the Trainer program. Now, this is a fantastic 9-day journey where morning 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. all these 9 days, we'll be learning, we'll be teaching, we'll be training, we'll be co-training, we'll be creating experiences, engagements, games, activities, and finally helping each other to learn to get the response you want from your audience. And this is important for any one of you who is either an existing trainer or wants to be an awesome, amazing trainer. This exciting 9-day journey which we're going to take during the Train the Trainer program is going to be amazing and exciting. Let me share with you what I have planned for you guys. Let's understand your requirement first. Now, this program is for somebody who wants to be a trainer and excel at it. This is for somebody who is an amazing trainer and wants to take that skill on completely different level. This is for anybody who wants to train online or offline. This is for anybody who wants to become a licensed trainer. And what's above all, somebody who has done his NLP practitioner program and master practitioner program and now wants to become an NLP licensed trainer. Exactly, there's so much available to you. Now, this program is based on 4 specific pillars, the 4 major areas we focus on. When you step in the program, the first and the foremost area is to become that charismatic presenter. The presenter, the speaker you can be. You must be hearing a lot about these public speaking schools opening up and telling you a lot of things. But let me tell you, without charisma, it's nothing. So when we start this program, we help you decode the charisma within you. We develop it by practicing every day, training every day. So the first milestone is to become the charismatic public speaker, the charismatic presenter. Then we step into being the experiential trainer. The experiential trainer is all about engagement kinesthetically, using your body for teaching. It's about creating experiences. It's about activities. It's about games. It's about engagement. It's also about deeper influence. And then we focus on corporate trainings. Now, how do you do that? There you have ready-made modules that you deliver. And you become an excellent corporate trainer. Now, these were 3 parts. What about the 4th one? 4th one is for people who have done their NLP practitioner and master practitioner. So you become an amazing NLP licensed trainer so that you certify your own students on NLP. It's a lot. Believe me, I have put the juice of these 20 years of experience in this one program. And let me help you become that awesome trainer. A few people have asked me about these certifications, and let me decode it now for you. Of course, this is a 3+1 certification program. On completing these 9 days, you get 3 certifications. The charismatic presenter, which is for public speaking. The experiential trainer, which is for activities and games and engagement you create. The excellent corporate trainer. That's for your corporate trainings. And then all those who have completed their practitioner and master practitioner also are awarded the NLP licensed trainer certification. Now, all these certifications come from BusinessUniv, and some of them come from other reputed bodies also. I know you're really excited. You want to become that excellent trainer. You want to have amazing workshops. Are you ready to explore? I welcome you. I invite you. I'm waiting for you. This is your coach, your master trainer, Ashish Sehgal. Thank you so much for being with me. I hope you have enjoyed this conversation. See you soon in Train the Trainer. Thank you so much.